Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing this simply delicious no-bake cappuccino cheesecake, and if you're a coffee lover or a cappuccino lover, you're simply going to want this for sure. So let me walk you through this. So what I've got here are about 15 graham crackers, and I'm just going to grind these up in my handy dandy food processor. You can use a Ziploc bag and a pounder as well. And I should mention you can also buy this in the store, pre-made. After that, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, or a quarter cup, and pulse it again until it's well combined. Okay, now I'm simply going to slip this into a springform pan, lined with some parchment paper. And I really recommend a springform pan, and this is about 5.5 to 6 inches. I'm just going to flatten this out. And you can use a small ramekin or dish if you like. It makes things a little bit easier. Okay guys, there's our base. So we're just going to pop this in the fridge before we're making our cheesecake filling. And this even smells so good, and it's only the cheesecake crumbs. Okay, while our graham crust is chilling in the fridge, I'm going to add a pouch of gelatin into a quarter cup of warm milk. Now you don't want this super hot, you just want it warm. And just kind of mix this up. Now let's combine 250 grams of cream cheese. You want the cream cheese at room temperature with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're just going to beat this till it's smooth and creamy. Next up, a quarter cup of sour cream. And if you don't have this, you can leave it out. But it adds a lot of flavor. The star of the show, our espresso, and this is just 2 teaspoons combined with a quarter cup of water. And I'm just using this, but if you don't have this, you can use strong coffee too. And last but not least, our gelatin mixture, just to let this firm up. Alright, mix this up until it's really well combined. Now we're going to put this over our chilled graham crust. Give it a smooth out so it's nice and even. This looks so good. Then I'm going to give it the old tap, tap, tap. Now we're going to set this aside in the fridge just a sec. After about 3 hours, our cake is nicely set. So I'm just going to go around the edges with a knife. Snap my springform pan open and carefully lift the cake out. And look at that, guys. Doesn't it look gorgeous? But we're not done yet. I'm going to take some whipped cream and spread a good generous layer over the top. This looks so incredibly good. And dust it off with a bit of cocoa. And there you have it, guys, our no-bake cappuccino cheesecake. Incredibly delicious. Okay then, let's cut into this and give it a taste test. Guys, this is simply delicious. It's creamy, rich, that the coffee sensation comes through, the graham crust, it's fantastic. You've got to try this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com All kinds of great dessert recipes and other recipes there. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.